So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's me, Rico Di Respesha. So for today's video guys, I will be going to make an activity that was given to our instructor by Mr. Mario B. Kaday. And today, I will be going to discuss you what is a Python inheritance in a short discussion. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! So, what is a Python inheritance? Python inheritance, reusing and extending code. Code reusability. Inheritance allows child classes to reuse attributes and methods from parent classes, eliminating redundant code. Modular design. It creates organized, maintainable code structure where functionality is logical grouped and extended. Extensibility. Child classes can add new features or override existing methods without modifying the parent class. So here are the 4 K types of inheritance in Python. First is the single inheritance. One child class inherits from a single parent class. This is the most basic form of inheritance, creating a straightforward hierarchical relationship. Second is the multiple inheritance. A child class inherits from multiple parent classes, combining functionality from several sources. Python resolves method conflicts using method resolution order, or MRO. Third is the multi-level inheritance. It creates a chain where a child class becomes a parent for another class, forming a hierarchy. This allows for deep specialization of functionality. Fourth is the hierarchical inheritance. Multiple child classes inherit from a single parent class, promoting code reuse across different specialized implementation. So, in short, Python inheritance kay usa ka Python features nga ang usa ka class makagamit sa properties o methods sa lain nga class. And makatabang ni siya para dili ta magbalik-balik og code ug mas hapsay ang ato ang program. So, I'm going now to read the instructions that was instructed by our teacher. So here, there are 3 sets. Set A, encapsulation, Set B is inheritance, and Set C is polymorphism. So, I will choose the Set B, which is the inheritance. So, the title here is the Campus ID System, Student, Faculty, and Staff. Scenario is CSU wants one base profile system, but each rule has extra behaviors, so there are 3 behaviors. So, first is the student enroll, second is the faculty teach, and third is the staff process documents. So, here in the learning targets is, first is to create parent and child classes, use super init constructor chaining, and apply ISA relationship correctly. So, the task requirements is to create a parent class or person, child classes, which is the student, second is the faculty, and the third is the staff. So, in this activity, there is a mini challenge, and that challenge is required. So, it said here, create a list of mixed object, student, faculty, staff, and loop them. So, in short, the goal is to create a parent class called person and 3 child classes, student, faculty, and staff. Inheritance allows child classes to reuse attributes and methods from the parent class. So first thing to do is I'll open my VS Code and make a new folder and a file. So, I'll be going to code now and just stay chill and relaxed. Here, I created a class named person because this class will serve as the base or parent class na gamitin sa tanan roles like student, faculty, and staff. And here I created a constructor using the init, which accepts 2 parameters, the name and the campus ID. While the self is not a variable, it is only a keyword used to refer sa current object na i-create. And next line is, I am storing the value passed into the name parameter nga sa object para each person na siya own name. And here, same lang gihapon siya. Means gistore na ko ang ID ngadto sa object, and this function, so this function method which prints the basic information of the person. This method can be reused sa tanan child classes because inheritance allows code reuse. And let's proceed to the second part, which is the student class. And here I created a class nga ang pangalan kay students, which which inherits from person, meaning student is a person. Mao ni ang ISA relationship. Inside the constructor, this init constructor, I added a new parameter nga program because students have programs. So, and I used super init para tawagon ang constructor sa parent class instead of rewriting name and campus ID again. Then, diri aday nga part stores the program sa student objects. Then I created an enroll method which prints that the student has enrolled in a subject. So let's proceed to the third part, which is the faculty class. So next class is the faculty, which also inherits from person. Same pattern gihapon, I used super init gihapon para reuse ang attributes sa parent. Then I added department attributes because faculty members belong to the department. Then teach method prints that the faculty is teaching a subject. And the fourth part is the staff class. So, in staff class nga child gihapon sa person. Same logic I used. Super init dayon para reuse name and campus ID. And then I added an office attribute because staff members are assigned to office. Then process request. Ini siya. This process request method prints the request nga gi-process nila. So, the fifth part na the object list plus loop. This part. I created a list called people, which contains different objects, one student, one faculty, and one staff. Then I loop through the list. Inside the loop, I first called introduce method. So, introduce to check unsa sila nga type. Then I use insistence to check unsa sila nga type. If student siya, I call enroll. And if faculty siya, I call teach. And then if staff siya, I call process request. So, overall, this program demonstrates inheritance, code reuse, constructor, training using super and ISA relationship because student is a person, faculty is a person, and staff is also a person. So, I hope you learned something nga makatabang sa inyo ha kung nag-start pa mo og learning in Python. So, I hope you will subscribe in my channel and click the notification below para updated kayo sa another topic. So, thank you for watching everyone!